everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another unbagging from Amazon for you. Now, before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and to all my new subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. And don't forget about my Etsy shop where I sell cover minders. Y'all, I've got tons of cover minders in there, so please buy them, because I am just like overloaded on cover minders. So I'll leave a link to my Etsy shop, which is called Just Minder Business, in my description box. Alright, so what did I get this time, y'all? This is a 30 by 40. And y'all, this is a true 30 by 40 because this sucker is huge. Alright, so this is poured glue. And the canvas is a little stiff, but not horrible. Alright, so this is what I got. Isn't she pretty? And I thought this would be a good one for drills and chills, or, you know, just any time. So, but yeah, it is a true 30 by 40. So it has the schematic, well, it's got a thumbnail. Y'all can see the thumbnail is on the top left with a schematic. There are 27 colors in this. And it looks like I have numbers and letters. And then there is a thumbnail and another schematic on the bottom right. So, what do y'all think? I love the colors. I love the teals and the pinks and the purples. I think it is very pretty. So, let's look at this toolkit. Alright, so let's just take everything out and I'll put it back in as I go. Alright, so we get a few baggies, not very many, but that's okay because I don't use these anyway. So, you get a few baggies with this canvas. You get 2 of the pink pens. Alright. You get a long thing of wax. You get the metal tweezers that has got the crooked end, whatever that's called. You get 2 pen squishies. And you get 3 multi-placers. Looks like a 3, maybe a 5, and maybe a 7. And then you get 2 green boats. Okay. Not a bad toolkit. Better than a normal average toolkit. Alright, so let's look at the drills. Now, they do have the DMC numbers are on the canvas and not the bags of drills. Alright. So, we're just going to go through these real quick, y'all. So, we have some blues, some grays, there's some pink, a pretty pink, and some yellow, some more purples, different shades of purples. Y'all know I love that because my favorite color is purple. Those are so pretty. Alright, and then we have some more blues and some peachy, some darker blues, some reddish pinks. Here comes some teals. Aren't those pretty? More pinks, another purple, some blues, and some green blues. This is going to be really pretty, y'all. I love this color palette. Alright, let's go down. And very sticky. So that's good. Now, the drill field. Y'all, that looks really clear. Really clear. Yeah. Not bad, y'all. This could be a little bit clearer as far as they should have put a light symbol like they did on here. They should have done it on here too. But I mean, I can still see that. So yeah, not bad. So what do y'all think? Have y'all seen this one? Have you done it? So you want to know how much I get for this one? $3.99 is what I give for this one. That ain't bad at all, y'all. Not bad at all. But yeah, I thought it would look good for drills or chills, or just anything. I mean, you ain't gotta do this just at drills and chills or Halloween. Do it anytime you want to. I will. So, but yeah, you know what? If you had some ABs, you could like do this pink outline in ABs. Throw some in her eyes, in here. Yeah, that would be so pretty. And her chin, the flower that's on her chin. All of this would look good with ABs. Yeah. And look at all the color blocking. So this is really going to be a mix of color blocking and a little bit of confetti. But not a lot. So this is going to be fun to do. And it'll be a real quick canvas. Because of the color blocking. So what do y'all think about it? I think it looks good, y'all. And I think she's pretty. And I will leave the description in, I'll leave the links in my description box. Hopefully she's still available by the time this video goes up. But what do y'all think? I love the color palette. I really do. So, all right, y'all. I appreciate all of you watching the video. And until my next one, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.